How do I balance technical expertise and location constraints when searching for talent? How can I ensure that my recruitment process is efficient while still finding the right cultural fit for the company?
Lost in frustration, Sarah felt stuck, unsure where to turn next.
This system will save you time and help you find the right candidate without the usual stress.
That's when she met Rushi, a seasoned recruiter with a game-changing strategy. Understand the role. Use the ATS to filter candidates, target local talent pools, tailor job descriptions, explore community connections. With these strategies, Sarah's search led her to the perfect candidate. Someone who met the technical qualifications and embraced the opportunity to relocate. Recruiting for niche roles doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools, like Pivotal Leap's ATS, you can streamline your hiring process, save time, and find the perfect fit. So, what will you choose? Choose a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to recruit, or lose time, resources, and the best candidates. Let Pivotal Leap help you transform your recruitment process. Click the link in the description to join our webinar or contact us.